Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is regarding free VPN. It's an app. With the help of that app, you can access any blocked website, and it's a free app. Now I will show you how to download it and how to use it. Okay, let's search and let's go to App Store first. App Store. In App Store, let's search for free VPN. Yeah, the first link, the free VPN app. So let's download it. It's getting downloaded. So these are the screenshots available. Let's open the app now. It shows like faster, smarter and safer. Let's click on let's go, and it will ask for our thumb impression, touch ID. Now let's click on connect. You can see that it's in red color. After clicking connect, it will turn to green. It's finding the fastest VPN. Now it's connected, so it turns to green now. Now you can access any website which is blocked in your country or in office. Also you can access any website by using this. You will get in VPN tab in settings. It will be on here. See, it is popped up with green tab, and you can also turn it off here in settings. You can just turn it off here, but you cannot turn on the app here. For turning it on, so by using this, it's a free VPN. If the VPN minutes are done, if you are not having any free VPN minutes, free ads will be played. So by using that, you can generate free VPN minutes, and again you can start using it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.